This is gonna be really good.
How did you sleep?
Well, I slept.
I think a storm is coming. And a sign said that we need to park at least 20 meters from the ocean. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since we posted our last video about how to sleep comfortable in the Tesla Model 3. Now we have upgraded to the Tesla Model Y, and we got a new trick to sleep perfectly. It's about a good mattress.
Woo! We have purchased the Tesbeauty Mattress and the window covers, and I can't wait to see if we will sleep any better. After all, it is a $250 purchase for the mattress and a $100 for the covers. Let's see. So let's unbox it and install it. Woo! Woo!
So the super practical bag this Tesbeauty Mattress comes in can fit inside the sub-trunk of the Tesla. Whoppa! And this also works as a cooler. I'll show it in a minute. First things first, we need to make room for the mattress. So let's lay down the seats. We have 3 mattresses divided into 3 sections. Come on! And each section is specifically designed to have the softness that each part of the body requires. The bottom part is super soft because the feet, the middle part is the firmest one because you gotta carry your hip and stuff, and the top part is your head, and it's the middle ground.
Are you ready to install it? Let's try. I can feel like this is the bottom and this is the head. So as you can see, this one is much harder. I already feel it will be so much comfortable. Do you remember the cuts we did ourselves in our first mattress?
Yeah, totally.
They were not as perfect as this one.
And something we have searched for a long time is something that could hold our head up. Because when you cut out a normal mattress, your head will fall down on the upper part. This one is hard, so it's not gonna bend. That means your head's gonna stay straight all night long. So no more putting any bags underneath your pillows just to have your head straight. This one is gonna fix that.
Whoops! The next one. And the 3 mattresses fits perfectly.
Looks good, Sille. High five!
High five! So far, so good.
Every day I hear from you, you're getting older, Casper. And yeah, I must admit, because I started to set value in smaller things like the practical stuff. And about the Tesbeauty here, we got this small layer here so it won't move during the night. And if you want to make it even less slippery, you can peel this off. But I must admit, I'm a bit afraid that the Velcro is gonna damage the bottom layer here. So we're gonna keep this on, and as you can see, when I move this, it's not gonna go anywhere. This is gonna be a great night, I can't wait.
I believe so too. I'm just working at the softest, the firmest, and the middle. I already see this is gonna be so much better.
Can you feel that it won't drop down during the sleep?
Absolutely. This is perfect. Feel this softness. It is so comfortable already, but we also got a blanket.
I think a storm is coming. And a sign said that we need to park at least 20 meters from the ocean. And as you can see, these piles over here, right there, I think that's the limit. I think we have been here for 30 minutes, and the water's already came 2 or 3 meters closer to us. Do you think this is the best place to sleep?
We need the blanket, pillows, and then we're good to go. Let's get inside.
Do you think we are waterproof?
Yes, absolutely.
We have cheated a bit. We have already washed the blanket. You know how it is. You gotta wash your underwear and your blankets. So we washed it, and it's out here in the front. So where is it, Sille? Here.
There.
This gray one. You can see these lines right here. They gotta line up perfectly with the mattress, otherwise it won't fit. Got you! Come on. And this side. In the other videos I saw, they said it was super hard to get the blanket on. This took 30 seconds.
It was super simple.
Maybe it's because we are 2, but this was simple. Super easy.
Woohoo! And now we got a bed in our Tesla. Let's get in the pillows.
Oh shit.
I'm so excited!
Good job! During summertime, you'll probably use the bag as a cooler, but it is 1 degree Celsius. That means 1 degree from freezing temperatures. So it's pretty cold right now. So we're just using this as a cooler. Are you crazy, woman?
This is gonna be really good.
A couple of weeks ago, we went to Germany and we slept in the car. And it was an awful sleep. All the street lights was just blinding us while sleeping. But now that's gonna change because we have the window covers from Tesbeauty as well. See that? Let's get them installed and see how dark the car can be inside. The covers have two different sides, the silver one and the black one. Depending on how much sun there is, you're gonna use the silver one if it's sunny. But right now it's a winter, so we can use whatever we want without any real effect. This is for the smallest windows of the car, the corner windows. You don't need any suction cups or Velcro or anything like that to stick them on. They have a metal framing and it's gonna fit perfectly. So it's just gonna stuff it in and it's gonna stay there. How clever is that?
That's it.
Great design.
And next up, this one. It's from the front. Perfect. It's
Good.
super good, right?
It's super good. The night has come, it's totally dark outside, except for the small cafe behind me lighting it up. And to get the front window cover installed, you have these small clips right here. What you do is that you put this small split right here inside of the metal framing. So say it's a click. And then you put it right up in the top. Let's try it out to see if this works. Click. And then up here. And then it stick right there. And the good thing is that it covers all the way around. Oh wait, now I totally get it. So we have a small cut in the plastic right here. And I think I'm gonna stuff it in there. It worked!
You got it!
We're talking about the IQ! 121! You're making me cozy, Sila.
And we are now ready to camp and go into sleep. And a super smart feature that the Tesla car has is the camp mode. So we push the temperature button and in the right side you find the camp mode. Right now we got 71%. And another factor that you need to make sure before you go to bed on your new wonderful mattress is that you have enough power in the car. Because in the night, especially during winter, you need to have enough power to heat up the car and use the power for your phone or whatever you need it for. And in the winter, it's a plus to have at least 20% more than you need to drive the next day. And in the summer, at least 10%.
But Celia, what should a man do to get his beautiful girlfriend in bed?
You can do many things.
Come on, get over here. Get over here. Celia? Oh, Celia? Good morning.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
Well, I slept fantastic.
That's good. We said that it was something like sleeping at home. The mattress is just as good. I think it is.
The mattress is.
It's awesome. But the whole experience of sleeping in the car is different. It's like when you're sleeping at your grandma's or something. You're gonna wake up at night.
Because of the sounds and the light outside.
Yeah.
And we had also this little problem with the storm last night.
Yeah. We talked about the weather and the wind, and the water was just approaching us really fast, and the wind was picking up, so the car started moving, and suddenly we were just feeling like seasick or something like that. It was super strange, but yeah, we came through the night, and we drove into the woods, and it was so much better, so much more calm in the wind.
This is nice.
This is really
The
nice.
best thing I love about sleeping in the Tesla in the morning is this part.
You can still hear the wind.
Yeah, it's amazing.
But it's great. We slept to, what is the time now? 7:30. That's a good night's sleep.
Yeah.
Let's get up, pack the car up, and drive further, okay? We can also say we slept great on the Tesbeauty mattress. And the window covers was awesome as well. It blocked the light off totally. The only complaints we have is that it's not wide enough to have your elbow, so it's gonna drop down into a hole. But we totally understand the design because it would not fit inside of the front of the trunk if it was wider.
Yeah. We hope that you liked this video and got answered all the questions you might have. We post a new video every week and we would love to have you as a subscriber. Until next time, safe travels!